Welcome back. In poll-bound Haryana, a major revolt in the BJP. Well, there's a lot of internal dissent the BJP has had to deal with in Haryana, particularly after the first list of candidates came out. Remember, the latest in the series of resignations in the Haryana BJP is a senior BJP leader and ex-minister Bachan Singh. Now remember, he's a key leader when it comes to Haryana, and he had sought a ticket from the Narnaul constituency, a key constituency for the BJP. But remember, the BJP decided to field another candidate and snub Bachan Singh. And remember, earlier as well, you had key leaders, in fact, a key OBC leader, Karan Dev Kamboj, who quit over ticket distribution as well. All these senior leaders say that loyalists have been ignored by the BJP and turncoats have been rewarded. My colleague Gurpreet with the latest.
बिल्कुल मना रहे हैं उनको, सीएम साहब बराड़ा साहब उनमें गुस्सा है, बिल्कुल मना रहे हैं। बराड़ा जी काम करेंगे और इसी क्षेत्र के अंदर लोगों के लिए वो वोट भी मांगने की अपील करेंगे। और भारतीय जनता पार्टी है, भारतीय जनता पार्टी एक मुश्त होकर के तीसरी बार सरकार बना रही है।
We have seen the multiple resignations have been filed by the BJP leaders. There is a strong resentment among the leaders who are filing resignation because somewhere down the lane they feel the party did not recognize their hard work and they were not able to get ticket. We have seen the Chief Minister of Haryana, Naib Singh Saini, has already given a very clear-cut statement saying Kamal ka fool ek hai aur only one person can get it. But we have seen the multiple leaders, they are expecting the government, the BJP party should immediately change its decision and they will be able to get ticket. As of now, it seems the BJP has another challenge despite it has already facing with the anti-incumbency and other problems within the state because they have been ruling in the state for the last 10 years. But now it seems to keeping the whole leaders, rebel leaders within the party is another challenge for the BJP because if they are going to join other parties or they are going to contest election as an independent candidate, it will definitely affect the vote bank of the BJP and other political opponents. They will be able to get benefits out of this political war within the cadre. So let's see how they are going to pacify all these leaders and whether they will be able to keep them intact within the party or not, that is yet to be seen.